The Boeing B-52 Stratofortress is an American subsonic long-range jet-powered strategic bomber. The B-52 is a long-range bomber designed for multi-purpose missions. It was created to carry a large number of missile weapons and is now considered an important part of the United States' most strategic bomber force. The B-52 was designed and built by Boeing, which continues to provide support and improvements to the aircraft. This plane has a big mission that you don't know about. CSRL is a multi-purpose launcher modified to carry various weapons and missiles. Which is located inside the so-called rotating bomb, designed to rotate the weapon mounted in the bomb bay. Recent changes to the B-52 rotary launcher are designed to make the aircraft more flexible and lethal in a combat environment, as the launcher can now hold more missile ammunition than before. Though upgrading the plane is not a very easy endeavor. To transport the rotary launchers, teams had to transport the very heavy launchers on trailers before the vehicles transferred them to their designated aircraft. Once ready to load the weapons to be mounted on the aircraft's rotary, installing these objects can take up to 11 hours. Using hardware technology, rotary machines must also be inspected, and sometimes maintenance is required. After the B-52 aircraft is officially ready to be updated, the team may decide to launch and conduct test trials. Before conducting trials, the aircraft will install small controlled explosive shells that will be inserted into the two engines as a standard type of jump for the generator. Although the launch of the B-52 was a routine operation, over the years the aircraft's technology has improved. The main components of the original B-52 are still flying.
Happy to be here. Thanks for the invite.
Before the recent updated aircraft often referred to the incompatibility of digital and analog systems. The B-52 shares many technological similarities with strategic bombers such as the Boeing B-47 Stratojet. Both aircraft use the same basic design, such as for example the wing to the pod-shaped jet engine. The Boeing B-47 Stratojet is a sniper strategy so-called reconnaissance aircraft powered by 6 engines, designed to fly at high subsonic speeds and at high altitudes to avoid enemy interception. This aircraft carried out its first missions from 1969 to 1977. The mission of the B-47 was mainly to drop nuclear bombs on the Soviet Union during World War II.